God. This is the worst devastation I've seen in all my years with UNHCR. These people have lost everything, and the trauma and the loss that they've suffered is unparalleled. They're here on their own with very little support, next to nothing, and they're rebuilding themselves with their bare hands. They're moving the rubble with their bare hands, and their bodies in this rubble that stay here. And you can smell the bodies, and some of them have family members that are here and they're unable to move them. And there's unexploded ordnance. And yet they are so happy because the last Eid they were under occupation and suffering, and this Eid they have nothing but they're free.